What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. The time I'm making this video, it's early in the morning. I got up earlier in the morning before the sun came up because I wanted to see how low we were going to go, and I wanted to take advantage of these prices because we are in up only. We are in a time where things are going to continue to go up. Don't believe the naysayers, the people are like, it's all over. This drop is what it is. It is a huge opportunity, and this morning, although we could still go lower, we'll discuss all that. This morning, Bitcoin was at 92,000. We're going to take a look at the chart. It's been going up since, but there were so many deals to be had. So we're going to take a look at as many, Bitcoin and then as many altcoin charts as possible. Okay, we're going to analyze this market. I know it's Friday, so TGIF. And so without further ado, let's do this. Away from Christmas, and Christmas honestly came early today. This morning I got up early before the sun to just because of this, because I don't know, it was like Christmas because I figured okay, we're gonna drop a little bit because of the whole guidance from the Fed next year, two cuts, but that's just kind of a knee-jerk thing. Also, it lends into manipulation from other entities like market makers using that to try to drive the markets lower. Okay, these are things you need to know, and then people are going to start saying, it's over, it's done. No, not really. First, we have to get out of the structure right here. Do you see this right here? This is a bullish structure right here, and the bottom, okay? A channel, basically, right? We have to get below it. We've wicked before on the 26th of November, the 5th of December, and today. This morning, it was down here. Everything was red, and I'm like, Christmas came early because there's just a lot of buying opportunities, guys. Anyways, throughout the morning, the last few hours, it's been going up and up and up and up. Around like 7 something, it started to go up. I got up at like before 6 a.m., 5 something in the morning, and it was down here, 92,100 and something, 92,200, and then for the last hour or so, it's been starting to go up. Right now, Bitcoin is at 94,800. Doesn't mean that we can't continue to go to drop again, right? Later on in the day. I mean, it is the weekend. The weekend is coming up as well, so we have to keep that in mind. Shenanigans can happen there. There's less volumes. People are kind of getting into the Christmas mood, right? With only 5 days left to Christmas, and so doesn't mean that we can't drop. We can't drop a little bit more, scare people again, wick down a little bit more, But what we need to do to not lose this structure right here is we need to close above. So you can see it. We need to close above 93,800. Okay, if we close above, if we have this 93,800, then I see this as support. Okay, then maybe we spend Saturday, Sunday here, Monday, boom, back up, or maybe Monday, Tuesday, a little bit slower. Next week there'll probably be less volume, but we'll see. Maybe we'll go sideways for a little bit, but eventually back up. Take a look at what the monthly chart looks. Red right now. I don't think that's gonna last though. For us to have a green December, we have to close the month above 96,000. We're gonna get into 100,000, I think, again before I have a green December. Yeah, before December ends, I think. I thought the body was gonna be a lot higher. I thought the body was gonna be more or less what this wick is, around 108,000, and then the wick, I thought it was gonna be a lot higher to 115, 120. It could still possibly happen. We have about 10 days left, but remember we got Christmas and then New Year's, and 11 days left. So it could still happen. It could still happen, but the whole Fed thing did put a damper on things. Okay, the whole Fed thing really caused this to happen. But again, things can change, right? Next year, the Fed might say, "Oh, things are looking better. Well, we're going to do 3 cuts, 4 cuts." What do you think is going to happen to the price? Right? What this does essentially is just buy us a little bit more time. As I think I mentioned yesterday. To me, the whole Fed thing really cements the whole idea that the blow off top will be somewhere here. Last couple of months, November, December, October, November, December, last couple of months of 2025, blow off top, boom, and then everything goes downhill from there into 2026 and a little bit beyond. All right, so that's how I see it. Things are looking all right. So let's just take a look at deals. DXY really quickly. Let's take a look at the DXY really quickly. The DXY looks so strong in the monthly, huh? It's crazy. It's scary. But we're having a red day right now, which is good. A little pullback. Let's see what happens. Do we go sideways before attempting to go higher? And then hopefully we hit our heads, hit resistance, and then start coming back down. We'll see. But this is, honestly, it is troubling. Slightly troubling, okay? That the Dow Jones is really red. The NASDAQ is really red. The S&P 500, both all red. Look at the 10-year. Oh, okay. Bounced up here. 4.57%. It rejected so far. Let's hope that can continue. Okay, cool. 2-year bond yields dropping down. It's good. It's good, guys. We need to see that. And Bitcoin dominance going way back up again. Rejecting a little bit. Well, not rejecting a little bit, but working back down. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this is it, or we come back higher, try to test 60% again. Others, look at that. We hit this line. I didn't think we were gonna. What we did, we hit this line and rejecting, right? Big bounce from here, so that's good. 315. Although we could come right back down, touch a smidge under 300 billion in market cap. Right now is at 316. This line today would be at 295 billion in market cap. It's okay if we hang out here for a little bit. Eventually, we're gonna come back up here and we're gonna break through this area. Remember, we have 10 to 12 months left of this of up only, guys. So I mean that we have a week or two of red. I don't even think it's gonna be 2 weeks. Is a long time when it's up only of red. I think that's gonna be very, very rare. A few days, a week. That's the most I give it. We'll see. We'll see in a few days to see what the market looks like. Now let's take a look at some niggles. Look at that big drop this morning, and now it's giving back some all the way down to 6 cents. Huge deal, guys. Huge deal. I'd be buying all day right here. I'd be buying all day right here. Toshi's dropped even more, right? Although we have looked up, I don't know where it could stop. Although we do see some support currently where it's at right now. 786 is a lot lower. I don't know that we get there. That's 4098. Miggles, the 786 is down here at 5 cents. I don't think we get there. KeyCat, look at this. Dropped way down close to the, we passed the 786 for KeyCat, right? And we dropped down to 0033 cents and it just went back up. Boom, strong. 0044. Man, wouldn't it have been nice to catch that one, huh? Dogging me. Same thing. Look at that long wick past the 786, right? Down here. 30s28. Now we're at above the 786. 30s36. Let's see if the 786 holds. Great area to buy, guys. Great area to buy. Apple, I'd be buying all day. Look at this. We lost this. The rest of the market did it too, right? I mentioned I would keep this if the rest of the market played. Didn't. So now we're closing in on this line. Do we touch it? We got close, right? 0010. This line's at 00100, right? So we got really close. Let's see if we do touch it and then maybe come back up really quick. I would not like to see it here for too long. I would like to see it really just kind of spend maybe max a few days and then just boom, body back up here, back into this triangle, which would show a lot of strength. And after that, keep going up. But at a great buy price, man. I mean, $1 million in market cap, guys, okay? Apple. When you see this and you think it's a good project, you keep going. Why? Because here's another one that I thought it was a good project, and I still think it's a good project. And now it's showing that it is. Where is it? I mentioned it to you guys yesterday. Vibe. You see a lot of green right now because everything's bouncing. But this morning it was all red, and people that aren't used to the markets probably would have been really scared. Probably wouldn't have been buying. You have to flip that switch. Okay, when it's really red, that's when you should be buying. When it's really green, right? When it's euphorically green, that's when you should be selling. 9.8 million market cap. I talked about this one yesterday. It was down here, right? It was down here, like 5 or 6 million, 4 million market cap, 2.2 million in volume. And look at this. I said it was a nice. It looked really nice. This rounded bottom, and look at these last couple of days. I think this is gonna go much higher. Right? Could this thing get to 100 million market cap? Vibe cat looks really cool. Even my son liked this one. He was like, "Oh, look at that cool cat." Like, all right, this thing's going to 100 million. That's right, from the mouth of babes. All right, so when it was dropping like this, right? When it was dropping like this, people probably didn't want to touch it. But look at now. It's, for people that were brave enough to buy here, now they're happy. And this thing's gonna go higher, Vibe cat, and that's how I see this one. Okay, we need to see some sideways, right? Or maybe it's just like I said, a couple of days here and then boom, right back up here, and then we see some sideways here, and it's just gonna keep going up and up and up, guys. So I mean, to buy right now, man, you are buying it at to buy 1 million of these things. How much is it at 1 million market cap? $1,000. Yes, $1,000. You buy 1 million of these things. I mean, it's not a bad deal. If this thing goes to 100 grand, this thing does, 100 million market cap, which I think it could. It's 100 grand right there, guys. Come on. That's just being brave. Buying when no one else is. You got to know it's a good project, right? And I think it is. Apple. I'd be buying this all day. All right. So there's that. Apple. What else? Deals are everywhere. Creo engine dropped. I don't know if we come down here to 0.0033. Possible. I'd nibble there. Soonverse, after this big move up, right? It's dropping back down, 24. I'd nibble here. There's just a lot of places to nibble. I mean, even like Lanch here, which I think is going to do really well. You're buying it. It came all the way back down after this big pump. It came all the way back down into this range, into this channel right here. The middle of this channel. Perfect buy opportunity, guys. $1.53. Not bad. Sinverse, I haven't talked about that in a little while. Given back after all that big move up, coming right back down here. Hopefully it's going to test this and hold, right? Hopefully we get back to the 786, which is 0.0032. Right now it's at 0.0031, holding this just above this area of support, 0030. Okay, Sinverse. All right, let's take a look at some of these two now. Boomer was like not that long ago 13 million market cap. Now it's at 5. Hell of a deal. Do we come down here? 004. Right now it's at 0.0063. If the rest of the market starts turning around, this is probably as low as Boomer goes as well, and probably we get back right back here. And if we do that, I think this next move up is going to be higher than this one, and probably higher than this one, somewhere up here, 3 cents. Okay, 5.8 million market cap for Boomer, 76,000 volume, and I don't like that 76,000 volume, but hey, it is what it is. Let's see, MSTR, MicroStrategy. MSTR 2100, 11.8 million market cap. I'd nibble here, but it is possible now, since we're so close, that we touch 47 cents. Right now we're at 57 cents, 734,000 in volume, guys. I'd nibble here, and then I just wait, and I'd buy all day at 47 cents. All right, what else? Coin, I think this is a good one as well. Coin, 500,000 market cap, 550,000 in market cap right now. Hopefully it's a double bottom, and if that is, then this thing is gonna go, all right, 60,000 in volume. I don't like that. It's on base. I do like that. What else? REI. Sometimes you got to be fast. This thing dropped down here, 49 million in market cap, and now it's back up 67.5 million in market cap, 10 million in volume, guys. Nice chart. I don't know that we turn over yet. I don't think so. Maybe we have a little bit more to go before it turns over. Let's see. ARC AI rig complex on Solana. REI was on base. This chart is just looking bullish and strong. This thing dropped below 200 million market cap. Now it's at 210.9 million market cap. Can it get to a billion? Yes. The question is, how many billions can it get to? 53.2 million in volume, guys. This thing is going to get picked up by a tier 1 exchange. Believe that. It's only 9 days old, so in the next couple of weeks, I'm sure this thing will get, if this trend continues, right, it's going to get picked up by a tier 1 exchange, and then what's going to happen to it? It's going to blast off into a billion plus, guys. Okay, ARC AI rig complex. I like this one. I like Agent Tank, but I'm waiting for sideways consolidation. Maybe nibble right here and then just kind of wait, because it could drop lower. Gemini showing some strength right here. Oh no, not Gemini. Mana, I'm sorry. Mana showing some strength. I mentioned this one yesterday. Okay, got out of this, and now it looks like maybe it's just a little fake out. It went lower, right? But now it's back above 10 million. Let's see if it can get back above and into this triangle again, which would be ideal. If it does, that means it's going up here at least to test 2 cents. See if we can get past this and keep going. 10.5 million market cap right now, 6.1 million in volume. Mana on Solana, guys. A lot of deals to be had, boys and girls. Lots of deals to be had. And I think that's really it. That's all I wanted to bring to your attention. Let's see what Bitcoin does. Let's see what Bitcoin does. It continues to go up. But again, I mean, it doesn't mean this is over, right? I think so. I want to say yes, because again, we're an up only, and these drawdowns don't last that long, guys. So get your buys in. Should have got them in this morning, but hey, there's still a lot of deals, as we just saw, to be had, guys. Take note of the tokens that I'm putting in your radar, because I got a really good eye for finding really good gems. Do with that information. Guys, have yourselves a great weekend. If you can, please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace.